Welcome to our updated guide on how to edit your workplace on Facebook. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to keep your professional information current on your profile. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your menu button. Tap it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, scroll down until you see your profile and give it a tap. This will take you to your personal Facebook page where all your information is displayed. Now, look for the Edit Profile button and tap it. This will open up a new screen where you can make changes to various aspects of your profile. Scroll down until you find the Edit Details option and tap on that. In the Edit Details section, you'll see different categories of information. What we're looking for is the Work section. Once you've found it, take a look at your current workplace listing. To make changes, simply tap the pencil icon next to your work information. This will allow you to edit the details of your current job, or add a new one if you've recently changed positions. Here you can update your job title, company name, and even add a description of your role if you'd like. Take your time to ensure all the information is accurate and up to date. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. This will update your profile with your new work information, and there you have it. You've successfully edited your workplace on Facebook. Remember, keeping your profile current is a great way to stay connected with colleagues and showcase your professional journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.